Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing kind of a collective video. I don't know why I didn't think about this when I just filmed my BoxyCharm unboxing, but I have several things here that I want to share with you guys. Some are kind of like, oops, but you know, it's fine, it's whatever. So first and foremost, we're going to go over the Ipsy. Here's the Ipsy, my Ipsy Open Studios, my Glamnetic here that I was supposed to do an Instagram reel before the end of September, and then I just never did it. I should probably do that, even though now it doesn't even matter, but whoops. Thank you, Glamnetic, for sending it to me. All of this is sent to me in PR, by the way. I didn't pay for any of this. I had the Neca Beauty Box. I think this is September's. It comes to me like really late in the month, so it's kind of like, you know, I wish it came to me sooner. And then this comes in my PO box, which I check my PO box like once every few weeks. And this is my Lash bag they've been sending to me in my PO box. Thank you so much to my Lash bag. I should show off all of their lashes and like do like a try on or something like that. So first we're gonna go over my Ipsy bags, because I'm probably gonna title like my Ipsy first and then some. So if you guys are into like collective videos instead of like so many separate videos, because I started doing this last month, then definitely let me know in the comments and give it a thumbs up, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. Also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, especially if you clicked on this video and you're already watching. Do me the honor and just hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first thing I got in here is, I guess because it's PR, they gave me a cloth, and I don't know what it is, but I watched I watched Abadab's video, and she pulled it out and she's just like, what is this? Because I don't know what it is either. It says Ipsy right here, which is really cool. Is it a bandana? Like, I feel like it's a bandana. It could be a bandana. Now I look like a gypsy. I don't know, but I'll find a use for it. Oh, and it's pretty wicked. Oh my god, this video's all over the place, I tell you. Let's pull out what's in this bag first, which these bags are so cute, and this is like nicely made. Like, I'm so excited. First product in here is from Way. It's a detox shampoo for all hair types. This is like a holy grail hair care brand, so can't wait to play with that. Then I got an eye primer from M2UNYC. I love eye primers. Okay, so I will give this a try. I have 3 Morphe palettes that are brand new coming, and I have my Kylie Nightmare on Elm Street coming, so that can definitely get some use. I got the Tasha Dewy Skin Cream, which I've gotten before in Ipsy, but I just give them all to me because I love them so much. The Dewy one's definitely my favorite. Then I have here this little guy, Cella Plus Vela Beauty Hello Beautiful. Just a little quad, really cute cranberry colors, perfect for fall. Then this other product, which I feel like probably goes to the plus. Yeah, this is from Neca Beauty, which is a Real Housewife. This is a lip gloss in the shade Pleasure. I don't know, but this is like a beautiful nude. Like, I'm gonna use this like a lot. Cute. Doesn't really have a scent. Great. Okay. Love it. And then for the big bag here, we have from Dermalect the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. I almost feel like I've had this before, but I don't know. Let's check it out. I feel like I've had this before, and I feel like I sold it on Poshmark, but a sleep serum, I'll give that a try. Then I got from Il Makiage the best mascara that they have, and like one of the best mascaras. This is the Icon mascara. I have gotten this in the past. It's a really good mascara for top and lower lashes. It is a smaller wand, which I prefer over thicker wands. I don't know why it's not zooming. Okay, I love this one. This one's really good. You guys are going to like it if you get it or if you chose it. Then I have the Murad Renewing Eye Cream Moisture Hydrator. I do already have this product too in my bathroom. This is like updated packaging unless it's like a different kind of eye cream. So I'm gonna put that in my bathroom and compare and then use it because I do use it. Then I have from Theory Body the Detoxifying Charcoal Body Scrub. That is also another product that I will be taking straight to the bathroom. We have 2 more products. This is the Butta Vitamin C Serum, your daily dose of brightening and antioxidants. Great, love that. Come on, zoom, baby. There we go. Then from Neca Black, the Play Pots. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. Oh, this looks interesting. Let's give it a swatch. Oh, it feels like a lip gloss. Is this like a lip gloss? I don't know. It's a shimmer finish. Maybe it's like a highlighter. I don't know. It's very balmy, but it's like not my shade. I don't know if I'll ever get any use out of that. So that's everything for Ipsy. Let's move on. Okay, let's go over my lash bag because this one's exciting. Okay, so I already opened it up and looked and I was like, ooh, okay, cool. Thank you so much for sending me this too. But we have some Ruby May lashes here. Really, really cute. We have these flashy lashes. Then we have cake lashes. I cannot wait to try these lashes on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Fly lashes. Those ones are big and fun. Rio. Oh my god. These are so full. Then we have a matte liquid lipstick, which this is in like a super pretty color. Hold on, I want to open this up. Oh my god, it smells really good. Okay, beautiful pink color. Look at that. It smells like, I don't know, is it strawberry I'm thinking of? I don't know, but it smells good. And then we have this Buzzed in blush palette. I think so. Really pretty colors. Love it. Okay, great, great, great. Thank you so much, my lash bag. Let's see. Let's show you what Glamnetic sent me for Instagram reels and posts that I neglected to do. This is their new birthday collection. I'm gonna post videos. I will. I'll probably film like a reel tomorrow because I feel bad. So I picked out the hot pink Glamnetic liner. This is in pink ruby and it's like legit hot pink. I can't wait to see it. Can't wait to use that. Okay, and then I picked out these lashes here. These are in the shade Banger. The shade, gosh bless. Here we go. I used to have a discount code with them, but it's not active right now, so I'm gonna have to be like, can you activate my code again if I'm gonna promote your lashes, you know? Which I don't get anything, but it like saves you money, so stunning. These are the new round magnets instead of the like rectangle ones, so that's what's different about these birthday lashes. And then these are in Baller, which by the way, I love the black on pink packaging, and I didn't know it was black on pink packaging, and I feel like it matches this pink really, really well. So here we go. Here are these lashes. I was like, let's go with something simple and wispy and fluttery. Love those. Those are so cute. So thank you, Glamnetic, for sending these to me so I could do some Instagram reels that I failed to do, because that's just who I am. I fail to do things. What else is new? So next up we have one of my favorite boxes because it's all skincare from women, own brands, and it's all organic and clean and vegan. It's great. The Neca Beauty Box. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I feel like this just caters to so many people. Like, you guys know that it's always like in these subscription boxes, it's like, where's the makeup? Because we want makeup. But like when you want skincare, this is like the best box. So this is going to give me all the information. As always, I smell so much coming out of this box right now. I'm so excited to see what is in here. Like, I mean, come on. Look how nicely it's packaged. First thing on top is the Modern Skin Alchemy Loofah soap, I think. Eucalyptus and mint. It smells really good. This is $8. Which you can shop everything like on their website too, which is really, really great. Then we have this here. It's a lip treatment kit. I think it's $24. It's kind of cut off the price, but it's 20 something. This actually seems really intriguing. A vanilla lip exfoliator and a buttercream hydrating lip mask. Perfect for this time of year because our lips are about to get cracking with the cold weather. So we have them here. This is going to be one of those products that I'm going to update you in the future because I'm going to use it and let you know how I feel. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. I'm going to start doing those types of videos where I'm going to let you know what I feel about these products that I'm using. Next up, this is from Isabella Clearly. It's a mask and brush, $23. Clarifying charcoal face mask and this cute little applicator brush, which is very cute, by the way. Really like that. Love it. It's like a paintbrush. Okay. Okay. Then we have from Molly with Love, the Sleeping Beauty pillow spray. I feel like I got this before. I got something like this. You put it on your pillow and it helps you like decompress and fall asleep. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna put that on my pillow. Lastly, oh, by the way, that was $10. And then lastly, we have a Speak Collective Rose Quartz face roller for $37. Really nice packaging. Ooh. Okay, so here's the face roller. Very, very heavy and feels, ooh, we love face rollers. So it reduces stress and opens up the heart for unconditional love and positive energy. So you know, you do this when you're puffy, you do this to apply your skincare. We love it. I'm very happy with this box. This is my favorite Neca Beauty Box so far. I absolutely love them. I think this is great, especially when you want organic, you know, vegan, all of that skincare. Definitely try it out below. Thank you everyone for sending me this stuff. I appreciate you so much. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below about everything that you saw. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.